Good afternoon. I'm KY Low. Today I will try to get a Singapore Sling straight from the source. Since the Raffles Hotel is currently under refurbishment, I've heard that they have set up a pop-up store somewhere. So let me go and look for it. So here's the pop-up long bar. It can be found at 3 Seah Street. A Singapore Sling will set me back 31 Singapore dollars. This bar is quite small. There are loads of peanut shells on the floor. And this is my Singapore Sling. A Singapore Sling consists of gin, cherry liqueur, Benedictine, Cointreau, pineapple juice, lime juice, grenadines, and Angostura Bitters. This drink actually sets me back $36.50 because, in addition to the $31, I had to pay an extra 10% in service charge and 7% in goods and services tax. This is quite an expensive cocktail. I can make a sour cherry and pineapple flavour in addition to the usual alcoholic taste. And so overall, I'd say the long bar is worth visiting just once, only for the novelty value. And if that's the case, you might as well wait until the Raffles Hotel has finished its refurbishment. After all, there are plenty of places selling Singapore Sling at a much lower price. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.